Welcome to you all genius and curious student in KMC, that is Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on the pattern NCERT. In the continuation of previous videos, that is the usage of derivative in finding out the tangent and normals or point of the tangents or point of the normals under certain condition. In this reference, I will draw your attention about the solution of question number 9, where it is given that the equation of curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, and you have to find out the point at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. First of all, we will find out the first derivative of the equation of the curve, that is dy by dx is equal to x cube means 3x square minus 11x means minus 11 plus 5 means 0, or that is 3x square minus 11, and the given condition is the equation of tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Here the slope of the tangent, slope of the given tangent is 1. Hence, x square minus 11 is equal to 1, or 3x square is equal to 11 plus 1, that is 12, or x square is equal to 12 by 3, or 4, or x is equal to plus minus 2. The requisite point of tangent at the curve, you have to find out the value of y from substituting the value of this in the equation of curve. Now y is equal to, at x is equal to 2q minus 11 into 2 plus 5. This will be 8 plus 5, 13, minus 22 means minus 9. Hence point of tangent is plus 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9. Similarly, y is equal to x is equal to minus 2. We will substitute in this, we will get minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2, it will become minus 8, and this is plus 22, it will be plus 14, and the second point will be equal to minus 2 14. This is all about the answer of the question. Now in the next question, that is question number 10, equation of the curve is given y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. We have to find out the equation of lines having slope is equal to minus 1. First of all, we will differentiate the equation of curves for finding out the slope, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 means minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. According to term and condition of the question, hence this will be equal to minus 1, means minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1, or x minus 1 square, x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, or x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 1, or taking plus sign, x is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, and taking minus sign, x is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that's equal to 0. Now we will find out the corresponding value of y with respect to x is equal to 2 and 0 from the equation of the curves, that is this. Point of tangent, points of tangent y equal to x equal to 2, 1 upon, by substituting x is equal to 2 in the equation of curve, that is 2 minus 1, 1 upon 1, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 1, or first point will be equal to 2 1, 2 1, and y is equal to x is equal to 0, 1 upon x will be substituted by 0, minus 1, 1 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 1, hence the point will be equal to 0 and minus 1. Hence ultimately we will find the equation of lines passing through this point and this point having the slope minus 1. The equation of line equal to y minus y1, y minus y1, y minus y1 means 1 is equal to m, that is the gradient, minus 1 x minus x1 means 2, and this will be equal to minus x plus 2, minus x or minus minus plus, hence by transferring the sides y is equal to y plus x, y plus x, and here is equal to plus 2 by transferring side, this will become minus 2, minus 3 will be equal to 0. This is the first answer. And what about the second? Y minus y1 means y minus y1, meaning y plus 1, m that is minus 1, x minus x1 that is 0, and this is equal to y plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the second equation and this is the first equation of the requisite answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.